We have to pickle all our vegetables because we don't want to waste anything.
I love canning. I love making pickles and mustards and jams, and I'm gonna make sure nothing goes to waste.
I always have fun throwing apples off the deck for the dogs. I think my dogs are horses. Oops, didn't quite make it. Oh, Zeus. There's only room for one diva on this property, and it's Zeus. Oh, it's Jonathan.
Now these are the jalapenos for the pickled jalapenos.
I need Jonathan because you need more hands. All hands on deck when it comes to canning.
Zuzu,
Zeus, we see you.
let's bring him up here. This place is run by a golden retriever.
Okay, come on. Drama Queen's here, and Zeus.
I think because I got jalapeno on my hand. He's like, what is that? And they go in the refrigerator.
They do. 60-minute canning.
We should have our own Pinterest.
Oh, that's gonna be so good.